Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be going over this Sena unit Sf4. I just got it in the mail. This is my first Bluetooth communication system. We're going to be doing an unboxing and install today on my helmet. I already kind of went through it, so it's not going to be exactly everything in place from where you would get it if you bought it brand new or whatever. But you open it up here. You got the unit itself, a little charging port here, and then you got the boom microphone, I believe it's called. I'm not really going to be using that today because I don't really need it. I'm going to use the smaller wired microphone. Comes with this. This is what this mounts onto, like so. See the little I forget what the hell these are called. Connections, like that. That mounts onto that, like that. And then it comes with this as well, which is like kind of like a mounting bracket. It slides into here into these little grooves. But I'm not going to be using this one. I'm going to be using another one that they supply, which is right here. See, this is the microphone I'm going to be using today. I already installed this identical system on my wife's helmet, and we both had the same helmet, so it kind of gave me some practice. It was my first install as well. But this is the one I'm going to be using. This actually is like 2-way tape, and you just stick this directly onto the helmet. And this slides into these grooves right here, like so, to actually mount this piece, which in turn, this mounts on here. So that's how that'll get mounted. And then this right here is some like Velcro type stuff to hide the wiring, I guess. But we have the little wind deflector things. These, I'm not going to be using these either. These are like held on with 2-way tape. If your helmet doesn't have a Velcro piece for the actual earpiece, which are right here, to Velcro to, because the back of these have Velcro on them. So these actually have Velcro right there. And the inside of my helmet, once I take out all the cushions, this will Velcro onto a piece that's already built into the helmet. So it'll just Velcro onto the sides. And then you have all your instructions. This is everything that comes in the packaging, aside from the Ziploc bags. Like I said, I'm probably not going to be using that. Okay, so this is how it would look, how I installed it. Like that, and I just tuck the wiring right here. You still obviously keep the functionality of the sun visor. And then you had to take out all these cushions to run the wiring and for the speakers to go in. But I'm going to show you guys how to do that on my helmet. Alright, so what you guys are going to want to do is just start taking out the cheek pads. That's probably the easiest way. Instead of just like pulling them to the side, just remove them completely. I tried to remove them to the side and it was made it a little harder than it had to be. Probably just taking it out would have been easier. But there's like buttons in here, some snaps, and then it just pops out. This one also has a Velcro right here. See? These little foam inserts. You take that out, and then there's actual like the soft side of the Velcro so that this can stick to. And then you just do the same thing for this side. Just remove that. Now I'm going to be installing the unit on this side, somewhere around here. So it'll be looking like that. And then the wires will just run right down here. So just untie these. So you want to just put this in there like so. I guess try to put it higher up. That way you have, I guess it's like over your ear more. Then you just run this one through. They have the lining right here for your head. What I did was just pulled it up like so, and then slide the longer end for the speaker down there. Put the wiring in, and then just give it a couple little shakes. Stick your hand down on this side, and it's right here. See it? Then you just put it in, again high up. The lighting ain't the best, but that one's in. You see the wiring right here. Obviously you want to keep this end up for now, and then just push some of the access down, and just push the headpiece down also as well. So then this is sticking out a little bit. Alright, so now what we're going to do is clean the surface where I'm mounting the unit at. You want to just take off your two-way tape, the plastic piece, and then just try and mount this somewhat even to your preference, however you prefer to mount it. This is just how I'm mounting mine. You want to hold it for a couple seconds. Alright, that's on there pretty good. Now we're going to run the microphone. Now on my chin piece right here, this will actually stick, the Velcro will actually stick to that part on the inside of it. So that's where I'm going to be installing this at. It has a little wiring. And then I'm just going to install it like right here on the reverse side, on the inside. So it'll just be like down right here. It's going to be hard for you guys to see, so I'll just do it real quick. You want to do it like on an angle too, that way the wiring runs kind of this way in this direction. Instead of like mounting it like that, just mount it on an angle. So that way the wiring's pointed this way. And just put it in there like that. And then you just pull the wiring back, connect it right here. They have these little grooves. This piece and then this piece, they interlock. Like that. And then I just realized I put the speakers on the wrong side. Gotta redo the speakers now. Rookie mistake. It's alright. Here learning. This is gonna plug into this. This is from here, and then the headphone jack just plugs into there like that. And then you're gonna want to stuff this down here. You want to leave a little slack, because for my helmet, when I put the cheek pads back in, the plastic piece will like push this in. You don't want it to be like super tight, so you just want a little extra room. This is the cheek pad for this side. Just feed your little tie downs out of it. Snap that button, then there's another button. Snap that one as well. Alright, now this side's going to be a little easier because I don't have to deal with the wiring or nothing. So then you just feed this side inward. Nice little plopped in like that. Just make sure this side is fastened all the way. Alright, now just snap the buttons. Figure out where the top button. Alright, so now that's all done. And then this just pops in here like that. Now the Sena unit is installed. Alright, thank you guys for watching.